guys, we just finished up that garage clean out in Newport News, Virginia. It ended up being a full load. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I told her we'd fill it up and then, we'd help her try to meet her budget. But I mean, we weren't able to take everything within that budget. Yeah, call 757-354-2628, and I'll give you a in-person estimate for your garage clean out, or if it's not a whole lot, then I can give you a price over the phone. But yeah, thanks for watching.